Much better. Life can be smelly. That's why you need VentiFresh, the best weapon to take out stinky odours. It works like adding ventilation to your trash can and other closed spaces. Freshen up the air. So you can actually relax when attending to this guy. It keeps the smell in this area a lot more tolerable. And it makes sure that you can smell the sweet scent of this little devil right here, rather than this. You can install VentiFresh to your trash can easily. Within seconds, just leave it alone, no maintenance. It's a high-tech ventilation system, combining UV lighting and platinum dioxide technology to break down odor molecules and yield fresh air. A light sensor starts the deodorization when the trash can is closed. VentiFresh adapts to all kinds of trash cans, and you can use any regular garbage bags. There's no consumables that keep you spending more. And with an additional portable power bank, you can use VentiFresh all around the house. Such as treating the fridge when needed, under the kitchen sink, and of course, your smelly shoe cabinet.
Smart home devices have made our lives more comfortable.
But comfort comes at a price. In fact, last year alone, there was a 45% rise in cyber attacks on smart homes. And in April of 2016, a cyber attack was carried out that brought the internet to its knees. How do they do it? Through smart home devices. This is Akita, the smartest watchdog for your smart home. Why do you need it? Because of this. Yep. Your very new excellent home security camera that you purchased after a lot of research. It's a great camera. Unfortunately, it's connected to the internet, which means it can be hacked. And once the camera is hacked, you're not going to be the only one looking through it. And it's not just your camera. Every IoT device in your smart home can be hacked. Your thermostat can tell the hackers if someone is in the house. And your friendly smart home hub might be listening even when you're not asking it to. Once those devices are hacked, well, your computer's a hacker's playground. And once they're inside your computer, they can see everything you want to keep private. That's where Akita comes in. Akita provides the most advanced home protection, and it requires you to do just one thing: nothing. Akita constantly scans and monitors your home network, checking that only devices with IPs you've allowed to use your home network are the ones actually using it. And once Akita finds out that one of your lovely devices has been hacked, it immediately blocks the hack by extracting that specific device from your network. It also notifies you through a notification on the Akita app. Akita is super smart, and it gets even smarter the more you use it. it leverages home networks and lets them learn from each other to be even more secure. With your home getting smarter, so should your home protection.
We know more about space than our oceans, and yet we live on the pale blue dot. At Nido Robotics, our mission is to build the tools that help us better understand the underwater environment. Our Seaview Nano is a professional underwater robot designed to be super portable and accessible to everyone. The Seaview Nano is the result of several years of hands-on work alongside scientists, owners of fish farms, commercial divers, and other professionals of the underwater environment, together with a few explorers, yacht owners, and educators. We have taken everything we know about underwater robots as professional tools, extracted the bare essentials, and put it at your reach. The Seaview Nano can work at depths down to 100 meters. It has a high-definition camera streaming live video back to surface through a tether up to 300 meters long. It can carry up to 4 dimmable lights, carry environmental sensors and other payload. Its motor configuration, inherited from commercial ROVs, is engineered for maximum maneuverability. Its open-source design and software make it the ideal platform for you to adapt it to your specific needs. It's also designed so it can be built and taken apart repeatedly, making it the perfect device for educators to teach robotics. At Nido Robotics, we believe that the curiosity of the human race is something that is embedded in our genetic code. To explore our environment and what lies beyond the horizon has been a driving force for our accomplishments throughout our existence. Our Seaview Nano has been created for this purpose.